Good morning everyone, how are you? How was your weekend? Did you get outside much? I went for a very long walk and now my legs are really tired. But we're here for our first lesson this week for our maths, and here we are, it's Monday. Let's have a go with our very first job and we're going to do some counting. Are you ready to join me? Here we go. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Okay, shall we have a go at doing tennis now? Are you ready? Here we are then. So, remember my turn and then it's your turn. So, 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30. How did you do? Well done if you got through all of that. Let's move on, find out our next job. Here we are. So looking at this numicon, we've got the numicon number 4. This is the numicon number 4. And what is 1 more than 4? 1 more than 4 is 5. And let's check. There we go. The number 5 matches on the top. Let's have a go. 1 more. 1 more than this. This is the number 3. It's the number 3, and 1 more than 3 is 4. It looks like the number 4 shape, doesn't it? And here we go. We've got the 4 on top. Let's try this. What number is this? It's the number 2. This is 2, and 1 more than 2 is 3. Let's check. There's the number 3. Okay, what's the shape? And it's gone. What shape did you just see? Shout it out. It was a square. How did you know it was a square? What can you tell me about a square? If you said it's got 4 sides, well done. Could you tell me something more about those sides? They are straight, aren't they? 4 straight sides. And something else, they're all the same length. Let's have a look. Here we go. Each side is straight and it is the same length. We could also say that those sides are equal. And how many corners does it have? 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 corners as well. What's this next shape? Here we go. It is a triangle. Tell me something about a triangle. What do you know? It does have 3 corners. And what else? It has 3 straight sides. Let's have a look. 1, 2, 3. And on this one, each side is equal, but they don't always have to be. They could be short or they could be long. Let's have another look. Here's another shape. What's that one? It was a circle. That's right, it's a circle. And a circle, what can you tell me? It has no corners and it has one curved side that goes all the way around and it never stops. Here we go. Right. We're thinking about ways that we can make 5. So here's the number 5. How could I make the number 5 on here? I could use a 3. And what else do I need to make my 5? I've got a 3. What's this space here? It's a 2. 3 and 2, that makes 5. Okay, here's the number 5 again. Let's have another go. I've got 4 this time. 4 and what? 4 and 1. 4 and 1, that makes 5. Now then, how could I make the number 4? Here's the 4, and I need a 1 and a 3. So 1 and 3, that makes 4. Last one, here we go. If I start with a 2, what else do I need to make it into 4? 2 and 2. 2 and 2, that makes 4. And that's a double. So I've got 2 and 2, that's a double. Okay, now look at this picture here. Oh, it looks a bit like Mr Hughes, doesn't it? Now, what could you tell me about this picture? Have a close look at it. There's a person here, and what are they doing? Have a think. If you've got a grown-up near you, could you tell them what you can see? It looks like he's carrying something on his back, doesn't it? What is it? It looks like a big stone or a rock, or in other words, you might say a boulder. Is it easy for him to carry, or is it hard work? It looks like a lot of hard work, doesn't it? Looking at the face there and all of this sweat. Dearie me, it's hard work because the rock is very heavy. Now let's have a look. I've said, oh, he's carrying rocks. I say, is it easy or difficult? And how do you know? We said, looking at his face like that, I wouldn't do that if it was easy peasy to carry. All right, and we said, we could say that those rocks are very heavy. Have you got any other words you could say? All right, let's look at the rest. I thought heavy. All right, and what if he was carrying a flower? Instead of carrying those rocks, what would it be like to carry a flower? I think it would be very easy to carry a flower. He wouldn't even have to carry it on his back, because a flower is easy to carry because it is light. So we've got heavy and light, and that's what we're thinking about today and tomorrow. Here we are. Ooh, there we go. Now, what we're going to try and do, we're going to have a go at being human scales. And what you need to do, you need to find 2 things that you can carry in each hand. All right, so what you're going to do, you're going to put one thing in one hand here and something else in your other hand here. All right, and I'm just going to go and get 2 things that I've got over here to show you. Okay, so in this hand I've got a pen, and in this hand I've got some earphones as well. So if I hold them out like this, I'm going to go, ooh, I'm going to compare them and think which one is heavy and which one is light. I can feel this one is being pulled down a little bit more than this pen. So these headphones, these are heavy and the pen is light. I'm going to get 2 more things, one moment. Okay, so this time I've got a doll and I've got a bottle of spray. Now, oh, they're both, I can feel them both being pulled down, but this spray bottle It feels like it's being pulled down more. So this is the heavy object and this is the light object, because this is being pulled down more than the bunny. All right. So your job, I'd like you to try and find some things in your house and compare them. Put one in each hand and decide which one is heavy and which one is light. And it might be the other way around. It might be heavy on this side and light here as well. So you can pause the video there. You can go and have a little explore at home, or if you're in the classroom, you can have a go at doing that later on. All right, so come back in a few moments, pause the video, and I'll show you what I've got next. See you in a minute. Bye-bye. Okay, welcome back. Did you find some different things in your house? I wonder what you found that was heavy and what was light. Let's just quickly look at the next slide. Here we go. Because I've got some things that I think you might have in your house. All right, you might have some baked beans, you might have a teddy bear, all right, you might have some books and a pen. All right, so I'd like you to try and find out of those four, which one do you think is heavy? In fact, which one might be more heavy than all of the others? And in maths, we don't say more heavy, we might say the heaviest. So which one is the heaviest out of all of them? And instead of saying which one is more light, we say the lightest. So can you find which one is the heaviest and which one is the lightest? And can you put them in that order? Right, that's the end of today's lesson. I will see you again tomorrow for some more weighing and deciding which things are heavy and which are light. I will see you all then. Take care. Bye-bye.